If you want your engine to look great, the KBS Motor Coater Kit is what you need. The Motor Coater Kit provides a beautiful, durable, and protective paint finish that can take your engine from looking faded, rusty, and tired to being a showstopper. The Motor Coater Kit is a user-friendly system that contains everything you need to prepare and paint engines, transmissions, oil pans, brake calipers, and more. KBS Klean thoroughly cleans the surface. This high-strength, water-based biodegradable cleaner thoroughly removes grime, grease, and other contaminants and is non-toxic. Rustblast effectively dissolves rust and corrosion. Its water-based and biodegradable formula also etches the metal and leaves a zinc-phosphate film for bonding of motor coater. Motor coater is a durable, high-gloss engine enamel that has deep and rich pigment for excellent coverage. The paint is currently available in 39 colors. Motor coater can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and withstands gas and oil. It matches OEM standards and with proper surface preparation will not blister, flake, crack, or peel. Motor coater is available in aerosol spray and in cans for easy application with brush, roller, or by spraying. Motor coater offers excellent coverage and is self-leveling to provide a beautiful and smooth finish without leaving brush marks. The Motor Coater Kit also includes KBS #1 thinner, which is used to thin motor coater for spray applications. For surfaces that are prone to rusting or pitted and coarse, KBS Rust Seal and galvanized steel color can first be applied. This will smooth out the surface and prevent rust from forming under the motor coater finish coat. Motor coater can be used on cars, motorcycles, tractors, boats, industrial engines, ATVs, lawnmowers, chainsaws, and more. Motor coater isn't just for engines. It can be used as a UV-stable, exterior-grade top coat on KBS Rust Seal, as well as other coatings and primers. Whether you're restoring your engine, detailing it for shows, or you just want it to look its best, the KBS Motor Coater Kit is what you need. KBS coatings are proudly made in the USA.